In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Patreon password. If you want to update your Patreon password for better security, the process is quick and straightforward. This is especially useful if you think your current password is too weak, if you've reused it on other websites, or if you simply want to refresh your account security. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to do so you can change it without any confusion. First, open your Patreon account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, go to your settings. Inside settings, look for the account section and tap or click on it. This is where Patreon keeps your basic account details, including the password settings. If you're using a mobile device, the layout may look a little different from desktop, but the account option should still be available within settings. After you open the account section, you'll find the area where you can update your password. Patreon will ask you to enter your old password first. This is a standard security step that helps confirm it's really you making the change. After that, type in your new password. When creating your new password, try to make it strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a smart idea to avoid using obvious information like birthdays, simple words, or passwords you already use on other platforms. Choosing a unique password helps reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your account. Once you've entered the new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. This step helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. Take a moment to double check that both entries match exactly, because even a small difference can prevent the update from going through. When everything looks correct, tap or click Update Password. Patreon should then save your new password and apply the change to your account. After that, your account will use the new password the next time you sign in. As a helpful tip, make sure you store your new password somewhere safe, such as a trusted password manager, so you don't forget it later. If Patreon signs you out on other devices after the change, that's normal and can actually be a good sign that the new password is now active. And that's how to change your Patreon password. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to update your login details in just a few moments.